es un carrusel.
La vida es un carrusel.
La vida es un carrusel.
La vida es un carrusel.
Hey guys, welcome to my very first video on this channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a trending skull edit, step by step. If you're into cool, dark edits, you're gonna love this one. I'll guide you through everything. Let's begin.
Delete rebound swing because I made a mistake.
I feel the gravity pull and it keeps me away. I would rather be here, lonely in space. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. the moment, starting all over. Wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy. The memories fade, it's easing my mind, and I can finally breathe when I'm closing my eyes. I never realized what I just could do, but now I know I'm better off without you. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing. Taking the moment, starting all over. Wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
Mirrors on the wall, staring back at me. Stranger in the hall, frozen by the scene. Portraits seem to fade, he lost his centerpiece. Can't recall his face, I hope he'll rest in peace. Haunted by my mind, victim